ALTS has been on a downtrend since Friday, the 29th of August. WFI didn't, it wowed. There was a spike when it debuted, but outside that, nothing has come up. It has just been weakness and all through. So, since ALTS is a proxy, yeah, it's correlating and showing weakness as well. Intraday low in this session 3.55. Yeah, let's see, nothing. Let's see ALTS, and unfortunately, it doesn't have ALTS. It doesn't have enough data for extrapolations. Doesn't have enough yet. And this is the 15-minute chart, extrapolating lower prices up till sometime today's trading session. In today's trading session, it's not really going to be of much use. Yeah, not doesn't go beyond this video, if you like. Yeah, it's not very much. Unfortunately, not very much data around. Well, the much we can do is okay. Yes, there is much data. There's enough data. What am I talking about? ALTS. Okay, sorry, I looked at WFI. Okay, so for ALTS, I think the benefit of ALTS is that at least we can we might be it's in as much as it correlates. It's a proxy to WFI, the WLFI. It is also a corporate, it's an entity on its own as well. So there might be things that there might be other catalysts that can change things that may not necessarily affect WLFI. So it can decouple sometimes. That's the benefit of it all. However, it's also a downside. It cuts both ways. So when WFI may be performing well, the same catalyst could also be undermining ALTS. So here it's saying this is the daily chart. Underlying trend is bullish. It's saying that strength is going to kick in from Monday. Yeah, so weakness is expected to remain in place up till tomorrow. By Monday the 8th, it's expected to bounce and consolidate afterwards. Consolidate from Tuesday the 16th, going all the way towards Thursday the 25th, and then resume the uptrend. No guarantee that that will be the case at all. No guarantee. This extrapolation is an extrapolation for so many days from today. Margin of error is very high. Let's see what we have in terms of projections. 1.72, 2.89, 4.79 currently in play as of today, the 4th of September. As of a couple of days ago, let's see, as of Tuesday the 2nd, the projections were 1.72, 2.89, 4.79, 8.90, 10.34, 11.24. Yeah. Let's see, intraday high 8.88 printed on day 28th. Yeah, Thursday the 28th. Okay, let's see what we have down here. So price pressure momentum is severely bearish on this daily chart. Nothing is positive, indicating yes that maybe we may continue to print lower prices, and also entrenching the likelihood that it's going to remain below its 10-day moving average, which is at $6.3 right now. So by tomorrow, yeah, there's a good chance you see the stock trading below $6.3. Yeah, there's a good chance that may be the case. It has deviated so far away from its 10-day moving averages. This is what, amongst other things, these indicators are validating. So we could also try and have a look at its weekly chart. Uh, the reason why we're looking at the weekly chart now and the extrapolation, this is because these extrapolations, they're not the further the longer this I made this up to 30 weeks. So 30 weeks is a long time. A lot can change between now and 30 weeks. However, the chance of of certainty, the chance of accuracy is better if we have a shorter extrapolation. By that I mean, if I'm extrapolating for the next week, there's a good chance this might be more accurate. This might give us a good reading relative to over, you're trying to find out, you're extrapolating over the next 30 weeks, 30 days, 30 minutes. That's quite a long time. It may not work out that way. But within 1 to 2 to 3 extrapolations, 1 to 3 days to 1 to 3 weeks, yeah, you improve your chances. That's why we're here, because this counts the weeks. This is a weekly chart. Every Monday it prints. So here, unfortunately, we're not seeing anything positive in the interim. So it's saying that weakness will remain in place up till the Monday the 19th. Then by Monday the 22nd, maybe we might get a bounce. So this is going all the way towards, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Yeah, is it 5 weeks? Hmm. Was that 5 weeks? Let's see, 15th. It doesn't look like 5 weeks. 15th of September. It shouldn't be 5 weeks. It should be like 2 weeks. So, well, in any case, yeah. Yeah, it goes up to 2 weeks. So, well, let's see. 2 weeks sounds doable. Sounds like something that it improves. The accuracy is there. The likelihood of the accuracy, yeah, the likelihood of a good accuracy is there because it's a short, extrapolation. So let's just see. It's saying that a bounce will kick in. But at the same time, you can clearly also see that it's saying that when it kicks in, it's going to cycle all the way towards you know the improve, or rather resuming, yeah, to the upside. Yeah, it's saying that the uptrend may resume from then. But also this is an extrapolation that's going all the way towards several weeks. So we can't completely bank on that. In a very short term, maybe our chance is our chance of getting something accurate is there. Something that valid, something that plots this extrapolation may be there. It's The chance is a lot better. So that's why we're looking at this weekly chart. You know, we can equally look at the monthly chart and see. On the monthly chart, there are no extrapolations here. It doesn't have enough data. Yeah, yeah. If anything, at least it has projections that are saying 30.05, 41.45, 48.49. Yeah. Okay, we could come back and have a look at the 8.88 is that intraday high. We could try and see what the probability of it retesting is. Let's see. We have it here, 8 points. Let's try 8.44. So will look at this moving averages. If the moving average is greater than 8.44, then we have based on that point, based on that data point, based on based on that single data point, or that day alone, we can say yes that maybe this is that, or not. So the moving average is 7.45, so it is less than 50%. There's a less than 50% probability that we will retest 8.47 as things stand right now. Okay, 8.47. We try it again. Okay, it's also less. It's also less as well. We try it again, also less. Yeah, so yeah, in as things stand right now, there isn't the probability of it retesting 8.47 is not very high. It's there, but not very high. Yeah. Okay. Did we look at this? It's saying that this is a 4 hour chart. It's actually saying that a bounce might kick in. Yeah, I think we saw that already on the daily chart. A bounce, but here it's saying a bounce will kick in by the close of today's trading session, but may not hold, and may resume by Tuesday. Yeah, it's maybe by Tuesday it may pick up some strength. So all in all, it's saying a contraction It's an accumulative contraction that is being extrapolated here, but no. And then once again, they'll guarantee that that will be the case. So as things stand right now, we have 6.39 upper projection. Yeah. So let's see. It's clawing back the losses. It's clawing back the losses. Do we have anything here going on? Okay, let's see how the market is, how aggressive they are. They are trading the stock. Yeah, it's there's a decent amount of interest. You can see where they are piling their orders. They've stuffed their orders here to 4.05. They're expecting a pullback to occur. Yeah, so yeah, there's hope here. Based on what we can see here. Yeah, and indeed, also people are looking for it to come down. You can see here. Okay, so have a look, and we'll see. Let's see what will happen to ALTS. And thank you very much for watching this video.